Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on today's video. I'm so excited to be sharing with you my Amazon fall fashion must-haves. I do a lot of these types of videos on my TikTok, but in bite sizes, so today I thought I would compile all of the fashion must-haves that I think you need from Amazon. Amazon has the creme de la creme of basics. Don't forget to come follow me on Instagram. I'm almost at 100K, which is so exciting, and I'm gonna be doing a huge giveaway then. But today I'm gonna be showing you my Amazon fall favorites / must-haves. These are gonna be fashion pieces primarily, and I know you guys are gonna love them just as much as I do. So without further ado, let's get started. So I thought to kick off today's video, I would just start with what I'm wearing, because you guys, when I tell you I wear this stuff every single day, I wear this stuff every single day, okay? And there's a hair on my face somewhere and it's so itchy. Okay, so all the jewelry on my hands right now is from Amazon. Actually, even this necklace here. I love chunky rings, and Amazon has the best chunky rings. Jewelry from Amazon is so affordable. They have some really, really nice stuff. One of my favorite pieces is this pendant necklace here. It says a little prayer on the front, and then on the back it says the Lord's Prayer. And this pendant necklace is really important to me because not only do I wear a cross on my necklace, you guys know that my faith is a really big part of my life and it's a part of who I am. But this prayer specifically is, I know it's really famous, but it just says, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And it has little praying hands in the middle, and then it also has the Lord's Prayer on the back. I like praying this prayer just to remind me that there are things that I cannot change, but for the things that I can, just that God would give me the strength to do so, because being human, it is hard to change, and life gets really difficult, and change is necessary sometimes in the midst of growth and struggle. And so I think it's really important that we remind ourselves of that. And this necklace it wasn't even that expensive, but I just thought, wow, this prayer is really impactful. And if I can share that prayer with anyone else, I would love to remember that from a necklace. So I like it a lot. I know I'm talking about it a lot, but it's a great fashion piece too. I know, but I really, really like it a ton. The last and final jewelry piece / lifestyle piece is my Seiko watch. This one was recommended by Tony Sevdalis. I cannot take credit for this. She just recommends the best Amazon pieces. So if you are not following her already, which you probably are, please follow her. She has the best recommendations, and the Seiko watch I have been enjoying so much. It's super high quality. It looks so gorgeous on, and it's nice and small. So it just looks so feminine and really beautiful, and I've been wearing it every single day. I actually got so inspired by this watch that I decided to get my Apple Watch band in this style. The mix of the gold and silver chain is called Jubilee, I believe. So that's what I got my Apple Watch band into. I have this, and then I have like an all silver one with a little diamonds on it, and then I have just like a more athletic one that I wear when I work out. But I wear my Apple Watch all the time. I was wearing it earlier today, but I switched it out for this video. So yeah, this Apple Watch band I'll also leave links to down below. I love Amazon to find these types of things. It's just the best. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry you guys, my bra straps are showing. I'm sorry about that. I just tucked in my bra straps. The next things that I want to put you guys on from Amazon are their handbags. You know, I've shared this before. I love my designer handbags, but on a day-to-day basis, I don't know what it is. I just don't really love like branding and all that kind of stuff that much anymore. One of my good friends, Devin, he's here on YouTube as well, Devin on Deck. We do a few TikTok videos together. He shared with me that you don't need branding or brands to be stylish. Like, that doesn't mean you're stylish because you wear designer brands. And with where I'm at in my life right now, I'm saving up for some really big life events coming really soon, and because of that, I just want to be smart, and I don't think that's anything to feel ashamed of. And if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a designer bag, I don't think that's anything to feel ashamed of at all. Both of these bags I got from Amazon. This one's like a cute little nylon bag. I know the Prada one is really, really popular, but you know, sometimes you just don't want something that says Prada on it. It goes well with every single outfit. I also don't have a white bag. And then obviously the bag that I cannot stop wearing, I have been wearing ever since I got it, is this small little shoulder bag from Amazon as well. And it's just so cute. It fits so much stuff in here. And I love this bag so much. Like, you have no idea. I love this bag. I love my designer bags, like I said, but right now it's just not, I just don't feel inspired to wear them. I don't know why. When it comes to shopping on Amazon, my biggest tip is probably to search in the men's section. I don't know why, but the women's section is Amazon is not that great. Doesn't have that kind of like aesthetic that I'm going for. I don't know, like, you guys know that for this fall and winter season, I'm going for a really kind of cool, edgy, sporty, you guys know what I mean, like a very Hailey Baldwin aesthetic, a very Bella Hadid aesthetic. That's what I'm going for this fall and winter. And unless you shop in the men's section, the men's section in Amazon is chef's kiss. It's the best. If I can put you on one thing in this video, is the men's section at Amazon. It's like shopping in Walmart at the men's section times a million. I'm head over heels of oversized shirts at the moment. This one's in a gorgeous corduroy, so it's perfect for the fall and winter. This is by the brand Good Threads, which is the Amazon brand. I'm pretty sure it's the Amazon brand for men's. It's in a size extra large because I really like that oversized fit. It fits me so well. I'm so happy with the way it fits. I just cuff up the sleeves like so, and it just is so comfy. It looks really good with these brown boots as I'm styling them for you here, and I just cannot get enough of this shirt. I think I've found the one. This shirt right here. It's just so cute, and I really want to get this in a few maybe flannel styles, maybe for the fall and winter. You guys know that I love Carhartt as a brand. I love wearing their stuff. They've got really high quality pieces for the price that you pay. I wear a lot of their cargo pants, which I featured before in a haul video, but I also thought I would share with you guys the Carhartt overalls that I've been wearing. Overalls are one of those pieces that I think it's not everyone's style. I totally know that. They're a piece that literally never go out of style. Overalls will never, ever go out of style no matter what phase in life you're at. I love seeing new moms or like pregnant women wearing a cute little overall moment. I love seeing overalls really baggy. I love seeing overalls with a cute sweater underneath. Like, overalls are just a dream. I love them so much. You know, a lot of the Carhartt pieces that I purchased, I think actually most of them come from Amazon because, first of all, fast shipping. Second of all, easy returns if they don't fit. You can order a different size, and then just best shipping, best customer service ever. But the overalls that I want to show you guys today are both from the women's section. I get it in a size 8 to 10 because I really like that oversized fit. I love a very baggy look. So these ones here are, I'm gonna link as well, but I have these ones here in like a blue and white stripe. I also have these black ones here. These ones are a little bit more like utility, a little bit more like rugged because they are denim. So this one is a little bit more rugged looking, but it still has like the same function of the other ones. It's got a lot of pockets as well. I love dresses, but I don't wear dresses like on a day-to-day basis. I'm typically a jeans and a t-shirt kind of gal, but that's also because it's really hot. So if I were like, honestly, if I were in Paris, I really want to wear this dress. But I love this dress so much, and I love that I found it on Amazon. I love this piece, and it's just really flattering to the body. It's flattering to the chest. I'll leave the sizes down below if I forget what size that I got, but yeah, it's really flattering, and I love this piece so much. I cannot wait to wear it. I'm really hoping that it cools down in Los Angeles a little bit because it's just so hot. I say that in every video, but it really is. So I'm just waiting for it to cool down. I haven't found a tank top, even from Zara or anywhere else that I've shopped, that fit me as good as this tank top does. The straps are just wide enough. It just looks really amazing on the body. I'm really happy with the quality of it. It's a really thick rib. It's not super duper like thin. I just want to put you guys on this tank top because it's so amazing, and it fits at a really good cropped length. It's not super duper long, but it's also like when I'm raising my arms up, it's not like showing off my boobs. So I really, really like that a lot. So I wanted to get like a coat blazer-y situation, and I saw this one in this gorgeous like tan color. The quality is amazing, and the price is so affordable for a coat like this. I think it was like $60, which I know sounds a little bit pricey, but for a coat for this quality, it's so nice. I'm pairing it here obviously with some sweats, but you can wear this with a mini skirt and boots. You could wear it over the dress that I showed you guys earlier. You could do it with anything. You could literally wear it with wide leg trousers. You could wear it to work. You could wear this with anything. So I decided to pick this up because I love just the way that the lapels look as well. There's so much detail to this coat for the price that you pay. The last and final item that I want to put you guys on for this fall and winter from Amazon are their jeans. So again, I shop in the men's section for jeans quite a lot. Actually, my Carhartt pants are from the men's section. My jeans are from the men's section. And a lot of you guys actually asked about my denim shorts. Those are all men's jeans that I just cut up into shorts. I literally just cut it where I wanted the shorts to be, and then I washed it once and it became like that rugged look. Men's size 29, length 32, and it fits me really well. There's no stretch to this denim whatsoever, just so you guys know. They're really affordable. You know what's really surprising? Men's denim is more affordable than women's denim. I recommend when you're shopping in men's denim, always look for oversized. So I wear a women's size 27 to 28, and I got these in a 29, and I feel like even these are slightly tight. I could have gotten away with a size 30 if I really wanted that super baggy oversized look. And then to tighten the waist, you could literally just belt it. You could do the shoelace hack. You could do like so many different things to tighten the waist, but you really like can't get that baggy like look with women's denim, I find, unless you pay like $100. And for me, I think I'm gonna cut them up at the ankles just to you know, customize them to myself. I also haven't forgotten about the best denim jeans video, which I'm kind of collecting all the denim that I love, and I'm gonna feature that in that video. But yeah, that is the last item that I wanted to show you guys. So that makes it the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. You guys definitely want to do that because you'll be seeing a lot of more fashion hacks, a lot more outfit inspo. Thank you again for watching this video if you've made it this far. I cannot wait to share more videos with you soon. And I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye!